When I first started with Norwex, my biggest concern was hygiene in my home and can it really take germs off of a surface. So if my kids have the flu, if they have a cold, fevers, can I really clean my toilets, my sinks, my door handles, and really get that clean and get the germs off of it? So what I did was I went and got some Glow germ powder. They use this in hospitals and in schools to teach proper hand washing techniques. So the idea is that the germ powder glows under black light to show you what you might not be able to see. To show you, you might not see the white on your hands, which is like germs, but it's still there. So you need to make sure you're washing your hands extra well. So what I'm going to do is I'll put some of the Glow germ powder on and see how well my microfiber cleans that up versus our Clorox disinfecting wipes. So let's make sure we're starting with a clean surface. No germ powder on it. Clean surface. And let's pretend like my 4-year-old comes over and sneezes on my clean table. And twice. Achoo. Achoo. The same amount there. So I'm going to take my Norwex microfiber cloth. You're always wanting to use a clean side, so you fold it into fourths, so that way you're always using a clean microfiber. I'm going to take my Norwex cloth and clean it up. This is just water. So swipe 1. Let's do 2 just for fun. Notice how there's no germs, powder left on that surface. Now, let's pretend like I forgot to turn my cloth, and here's my disinfecting cloth. Let's say I just wipe a surface again with this dirty side. Is that going to cross-contaminate? You're not going to get any cross-contamination with that. But once the powder, once the germs, the bacteria, the dirt is in that microfiber cloth, it's going to stay in the microfiber cloth. Now let's compare that to our handy-dandy disinfecting wipe. How does that work? Notice how it's just kind of wiping, spreading the germs over the surface. Now let's go back to our microfiber cloth. Here's my microfiber cloth. I'm actually going to wipe it up over here. This is super fun. And I'm going to take this back to my kitchen sink and just rinse it out. No soaps, just water. Rinse it out. Good rinse. If you're between washings on your microfiber, you can always spray it with a little bit of detergent, Ultra Power Plus detergent, and a little bit of water. So if you are between washings, you need a little extra, just a little extra cleaning power there. Let's see how our microfiber looks after one washing, or just rinsing with water. See, there's significantly less germ powder on that cloth. There is still some residue left on there. It's not to be concerned though, because remember when we tried it, we did not get any cross-contamination. So you're still getting a clean cloth. After you do wipe up some big spills, you are going to want to wash your cloth in at least water, because you don't want your microfibers filled with bacteria. The more filled they are, then you're not going to get as much quality out of the product. That's why you're always going to try to use your 4 sides.